global warming, the outer atmosphere and the air we breathe, the food we eat, our lakes and rivers, and even our plant life and weather patterns are all affected by our daily activities. The transportation we use to get to and from work, along with the energy we use that is produced by coal and fossil-burning power plants, is significantly contributing to the harmful emissions that pollute our atmosphere. At the core of this pollution problem is the internal combustion engine. It was considered a wonder in its time, but has not been without its environmentally bad consequences. The conventional poppet valve engine emits small exhaust particles including carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, hydrocarbons, and oxides of nitrogen, all of which are negatively affecting our environment and all the life forms it sustains. There is a viable solution underway at Coates International Ltd. Led by a father and son team, George and Gregory Coates have introduced the Coates Spherical Rotary Valve System, or CSRV, as a replacement for the poppet valve engine. Based in New Jersey, Coates International Limited has been developing this technology for some time.
We have been in research and development of the CSRV systems for over 15 years on different types of engines. And we have now completed the research and development and got all the patents in place, and we are gearing up now for production of our systems to be distributed into the oil and gas industry on a worldwide basis.
To increase efficiency, Coates has eliminated the poppet valve, camshafts, springs, push rods, and engine oil from the head of the internal combustion engine, and has replaced all of these moving parts with just two. Their design features a series of spherical valves that rotate in a cavity formed between a two-piece cylinder head, delivering the air and fuel mixture in a more efficient manner.
The CSRV engine design is specifically designed for the purpose of lowering emissions. It has a bigger volumetric efficiency. It utilizes higher compression ratios. It does not burn oil like the poppet valves in the ports. Also, it reduces the consumption of fuel, and we utilize higher compression ratios for complete combustion. It lowers the HC, hydrocarbons, CO, carbon monoxide, and NOx, oxides of nitrogen, which is the harmful emissions pumped out into the atmosphere today by poppet valve engines.
The CSRV system also boasts its fuel versatility. The engine is designed to work with not only conventional gasoline, but also with natural gas, methanol, ethanol, propane, diesel, and fuel blends, including hydrogen. It has the capability of utilizing the best fuel for lower emissions.
The world is running out of oil and gas, and it's essential that we use alternative fuels, biodiesel, natural gas, ethanol, methanol, before it becomes an emergency situation. And because of the higher compression ratio, it's 30% more efficient.
The CSRV system also reduces the need for oil changes and engine maintenance.
The CSRV engine needs less oil changes because it has no oil in the valve train. It runs on carboceramic seals and carboceramic bearings. The valve train is completely sealed. There's only oil in the crankshaft. Therefore, the oil doesn't get broken down as quickly as it would in a conventional engine. The conventional engine needs to be changed every 3,000, maybe 6,000 miles. Whereas the rotary valve engine, the oil doesn't break down. You can be changed every 50,000 or maybe even longer.
In addition to its increased efficiency and reduced environmental impacts, the men behind the creation of this new engine believe it could also have an impact on the United States' dependency on imported foreign oil because of the savings in fuel consumption and use of renewable alternative fuels.
There are many environmental benefits from operating our engines. About 10 years ago, we did a study assuming that all registered vehicles in the U.S. were utilizing our technology and conservatively estimating about an 18% improvement in fuel efficiency. The savings per year was about $40 billion. Imagine what that would be like today if you assume today's oil prices and so many more cars on the road. Most every family member now has their own car that they drive.
To add to its savings, there is no need for costly modifications to the existing manufacturing line of the present engine block. The CSRV has flexibility of auto body styling and is a compact and clean engine package. Its unique engine is adaptable to automobiles, light trucks, heavy trucks, off-road machinery, marine engines, military vehicles and equipment, light aircraft, helicopters, motorcycles, lawnmowers, and generators. The team at Coates considers its engine a technological breakthrough, offering revolutionized performance and convenience.
The poppet valves have been in place for over 100 years. We've eliminated the poppet valve and a multitude of components and parts that go with that system and replaced it with 2 rotating shafts, which utilize higher compression ratios and can achieve higher RPMs, tremendously high RPMs. We've done numerous tests on our engines at full load and high speed up to 14,850 RPMs.
The engine is quieter than its predecessor, the internal combustion engine. Coates offers complete engines based on a block of your choice for racing, street strip, and industrial applications. If you would like more information on Coates International Limited, call 732-449-7717 or visit them online at www.coatesengine.com.